Hello viewers, welcome to our latest jobs and notifications. In this video, I want to share another excellent opportunity with you. Before going to start the application process, see here latest jobs. This is our YouTube channel. Here I am uploading recent notifications from various universities and various public departments, government jobs, private jobs, and again PhD notifications and entrance examination. So if you want regular updates regarding jobs, you please subscribe our channel and share it to your friends. Now we will start with the application process. See here ICMR, that is National Institute for Research in Tuberculosis, Department of Health Research, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India releases recruitment for the following posts, that is Technical Assistant Group B Non-Minister. There will be total number of posts in this department, in this position will be 60, and laboratory attendant 1 group C non-ministerial, that is total number of posts will be 13. So there will be total 73 vacancies will be released. In the technical group B assistants will be 60 and laboratory attendant 1 group C will be 13. So there will be category wise list also given. So for unreserved candidates 23 technical posts and OBC 15, SC 10 and ST 6 and economically weaker section will be 6 and a person with benchmark disability will be 3. And similarly the laboratory attendant posts unreserved candidates will be 5, OBC will be 4, SC will be 3 and economical weaker section will be 1. So there will be no post given for SC and PWBD candidates. So the level of pay will be given here. So there will be level 6 pay will be given for technical assistant, that is 35,400 to 1,12,400, and here pay level 1 will be given to the laboratory attendant, that is 18,000 to 56,900. See here the age limit will be given, it will be not exceeding 30 years for technical post group B. And again the discipline wise, so the discipline wise they are mentioned clearly and the qualification also. See here microbiology, biotechnology, medical lab technology. So first class 3-year bachelor degree in microbiology and biotechnology or medical lab technology from a recognized university. So there will be total number of 23 posts and the post code will be TA1. So here also reservation wise given unreserved 9 posts and again OBC 5 posts, SC will be given 4, ST will be 3 and economically weaker section will be 2. One post reserved for person with benchmark disabilities under category C, that is locomotor disability, leprosy cured, dwarfism, acid attack victims. And again in the discipline of biochemistry or clinical pharmacology, first class 3-year bachelor degree in biochemistry, medical biochemistry, pharmacology, medical pharmacology, clinical pharmacology, biomedical sciences, medical laboratory technology from a recognized university. So here category wise posts also given. And again bioinformatics, first class 3-year bachelor degree in bioinformatics, life sciences from a recognized university, or first class engineering technology degree in bioinformatics, biotechnology from a recognized university. And again in the discipline of biomedical engineer, instrument engineer, first class engineering technology degree in biomedical instrument or instrumentation from a recognized university. So there will be total number of 4 posts. And again in the statistics, first class 3-year bachelor degree in statistics, applied statistics, biostatistics from a recognized university. And again in the computer programming discipline, first class 3-year bachelor degree in computer science or computer applications or information technology from a recognized university, or first class 3-year engineering diploma in computer science or information technology from a recognized institution with 2 years experience in computer programming field, or first class engineering technology degree in computer science or information technology from a recognized university. And electrical, first class 3 years diploma in electrical engineering from a recognized institution with 2 years experience in electrical, works in a government recognized or approved registered institutions. First class engineering technology degree in electrical from a recognized university. Or for health economics discipline, first class 3-year bachelor degree in economics from a recognized university. So the total number of posts will be 2. And for mechanic, first class 3-year diploma in mechanical or automobile engineering from a recognized institution with 2 years experience in vehicle maintenance in a government recognized or approved registered university. So there will be total number of 1 post. So or the qualification is given first class engineering technology degree in mechanical or automobile from a recognized university. And for network administration, first class 3-year bachelor degree in computer science information technology from a recognized university. See here, for each and every discipline, like pharmacy there will be a bachelor degree in the pharmacy. For psychology there will be a bachelor degree in the psychology. So degree must, so in each and every respective discipline. For server administration they will asking computer science information technology. See here, all these are the essential qualification required for that particular post. For social work or sociology, 3 years a bachelor degree in social work or sociology. And for x-ray they want a degree in radiography medical technology x-ray. And for veterinary science, bachelor degree in veterinary science. And again for laboratory attendant post, for laboratory qualification will be 10th class pass with 50% marks in aggregate from recognized board. So here the age limit will be 15 and 25 years only. Okay, but for group B technical post there will be up to 30 years age limit will be given. And again for plumber 10th class pass with 50% marks in aggregate from recognized board. And again work experience also given here, 1 year experience in government recognized or approved registered lab. Here also 1 year experience in plumbing in a government recognized or approved registered lab. And again the application fees will be given for general candidates will be 300 and no fees for SC ST persons with disability, ex-servicemen and women candidates are exempted from application fees. Means application fee will be OB candidates, OC candidates up to 300 rupees. See still the important information. See here, what are the selection procedure here? There will be total number of 100 questions. In the technical assistance there will be for 100 marks. So general English will be 10, general knowledge current affairs will be 10, aptitude logical reasoning will be number of questions will be 20, and again subject matter will be 60. And again laboratory attendant general knowledge will be 20. Here also there will be 100 questions. Again numerical aptitude will be divided 20, general English will be 20, logical reasoning will be 20, and the subject matter will be 20. See here still what are the important information required here. See here, this is the required information in this application. For getting regular updates, please subscribe our channel, share it to your friends. Thank you.